Adjusting the counterbalance here. My hand got a little stiff. Okay, let's find our bird again. Looks like they moved over here. This is my first time using this lens. Can't even remember the name of it. I really suck at multitasking, so as I'm trying to focus on this bird here, there it is. Really need to get a haircut. The hair is in front of my face right now and it's hard for me to look at the screen. I have an external monitor and I even can monitor the image from my phone wirelessly, but just trying to get this out there right now. Today is August 13th. It's about 11:30 a.m. and I don't know how I'm gonna pay my mortgage on September 1st, to be very honest with you. I've been really trying to get a job as a videographer since, really trying since February. It's my first time trying to track this bird. First time trying to track anything this far away with this lens. This Canon 200 to 800 millimeter USM. F-stop range of 6.3 to 9. It's native to the camera, but on the RED Komodo here, I'm actually at a f-stop of 32 because it's so bright. ISO 250. And then I had to even bring down my shutter angle to 120 because it's just so bright. I have a sun hood on, but not enough. Ooh boy. As they keep flying in a different area of the sky, I'm having to tilt the lens up more and more vertically, which makes it harder on my hand right now as I try to steady this. I'm using a DJI Mic 3. Oh. Hand kind of cramped up, had to let go. Did I lose him? Oh, I think I lost him. I can't even see him in the sky. Where did they go? I mean, I can't see them in, oh, wait a second, damn. I see him, but he's in the plain blue open sky, so it's gonna be hard to find him again here. Oh, geez. Should I at least put on my sunglasses or a hat or have an umbrella above. Right now I'm standing under a tree, but I didn't anticipate on a plane. That's the one. That's what I want here. All right, let's get in. Let's get real close. It's going fast. Am I focused? I hope so. Oh boy! Come on, stay in. No. I'm losing them, damn it. So I definitely wasn't pulling to the left enough. I know I was, you could see that. I think I have too much. I need to turn down my counterbalance again. I started at 3. I thought the stiffness was gonna help me stabilize, but things like that plane, they're moving too fast for me. Okay. That was pretty good. I need to go back to applying for jobs because, like I said, I really don't have a... Oh wait, I have an idea. Oh, let me stand over here. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm probably gonna upload this unedited and then also an edited version. Oh, look at that, very dark. First thing I want to change, this is that dark looking over there, is the shutter speed. I always want to keep my ISO as low as possible. My f-stop, definitely too high. You know, it's interesting, the mechanical control on the lens is not, I guess the RED Komodo just overrides it, so it's not even allowing it to change there. Except when it gets to a limit, then, no. Even whenever okay, well anyways, I guess I just can't get lower than whatever the minimum is of the f-stop. I'm gonna go sit on that swing over there. Let me go over there real quick, and then the hair. Oh my gosh, my hair is really killing me right now. Is that clear? Hope so. A little brighter there. So right now, I'm standing over here to also test I thought this was behind the swing, to test the microphone, make sure I don't have too many problems with it. So first time actually using the microphone. I have the swing set because I have 2 kids. So they haven't used this in a couple years. I mean, they are 20 and 22 now, so I'm just kidding. They're young. So my name is Samuel Carrizales. I'm a videographer from Plant City. Technically with no professional experience, but my hardware is superior to many videographers out there right now. I'm just trying to make my own modest, humble living, but I don't want to be, turned down so quickly just because I have no professional experience. I mean, I'm trying to get experience, but from what I hear from different companies that I call, well, some of them say business is really slowed down compared to what it usually has been. And some, interestingly enough, some are saying that their business is expanding, that they're getting clients, they're getting busier and busier. So, I mean, take that for what you will. It's kind of uncomfortable for me. The seating arrangement. I'm kind of also hoping another plane comes by so I get another chance of focusing in on that and tracking that. But we'll see. There's plenty of birds out. I can hear them. The ones I see flying though, they just I mean, I guess the visibility I have of the sky is pretty limited. A lot of trees around here, and my house is blocking like a whole bunch. But I don't want to go in the front yard because I don't have much shade there. So my camera's still in the shade. I'm always keeping track of that, the temperature. Although I've shot that thing in direct heat for about probably like 4 hours straight. It was exposed to the sun. And it didn't shut off, it didn't give me any problems. This was in probably like last year in April. And I live in Florida. 771-215-8045. Text me anytime, call me anytime. Well, not anytime, but if you need any help, I'm looking for work. I really am. Don't know what much to say. I guess just trying to ramble so I can see how good this microphone is. Let me do this. Supposedly I put on the noise cancellation. I say supposedly, I didn't even double check. I just remembered that the last time I looked at the settings and got the first time really that I took it out of the box. I remember looking at all the settings like there, so I believe it's on. I don't know. There's a bird right there. But another problem, a lot of the birds are like right above me. And like I said, I end up having to tilt the camera this much, then I have to hold the handle. I have another candle, I have another handle on the camera on the side, but it's still at a strange angle. I guess I got to put another handle on it on the left side. It might help. It'd be cool. The planes pass by here about. There's at least there's at least one flying by. Even if I can't see it, I can always hear them. Probably like every 10 minutes. There's a couple airports nearby, so makes it pretty convenient. Another thing I want to do is record some trains passing by. Growing up, I thought every city pretty much had their own railroad system and their trains carrying either cargo or transportation. Cargo like those big metal bins that have like gravel, dirt, rocks, coal, whatever it is. Do they put coal on trains anymore? I don't know. There must somewhere, even if not in the US. Anyways, growing up, then I realized, did I say growing up twice? The first one I meant whenever I was a kid growing up. But now as I'm growing up as an adult, or well, 10 years ago I noticed this, that no, it's pretty rare for a little city or town to have their own railroad system. I mean, there's a lot of railroad tracks throughout. There's not just one crossing through on one street. But yeah, I hope I get a job soon. I've called over 40 companies nearby in the area, just asking, you guys need an extra hand? I'm a freelance videographer. I got the drone certificate, which I thought would help, but I guess because business is slow, that, you know, not much of that going on. Which business is, I think, a plane. Plane. I wonder how the audio sounds when I'm running. And then I gotta change the F stop, dude. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna get it. I'm at 45, that's way too much. Oh, and it flew over the, darn it. I missed it. I had how do I adjust these settings quickly? Well, I'm gonna keep it on 120, guys. My camera's not level. I forgot the quickest way to adjust it on this tripod. The tripod I have is a SmallRig potato jet collaboration for the Tribex Carbon 2. Or Tribex Carbon 1? Well, it's not the SE. I don't know if you guys can hear that bird in the background. I've been trying to look in the trees to see where it is so I can record it. But did that plane circle around? Nope. Well, let's see how long I can run this for. I think the longest that I've recorded a clip is probably like 25 minutes. And I try not to have big clips because it just kind of makes it a pain to organize and edit. But this is all pretty much the only thing I'm doing, which is I guess two things. Just testing the microphone and practicing tracking. I guess I'll try to track some birds again. I see one, it's kind of going in and out of the tree, or which one? Which one should I get, chat? Should I get, I'm just kidding. Should I get where'd it go? The one in the sky or the one going in and out of the treetops? Where it is? Get it in there. Ooh, a little far away, buddy. Okay, let's try to track this guy. Let's get my feet wide apart. I think I know the problem I have. Going side to side and let. Oh, hold on. There's two sets of resistance. Okay, here we go. So I can increase my sensitivity. Oh, then what is this one over here? What is the counterbalance system? Do I not know what that is? I'm gonna have to look that up. The resistance is actually right on the knobs here. So less resistance. I want them to turn at the same speed. This one, sorry for the camera angle. Like I said, I'm gonna upload this unedited and also a butterfly. Let's try to get, that's kind of moving fast. I don't even have, let's go back to the plane. My goodness. I feel like I have ADHD. This one's easier to track because it's flying away from me. It's very far. I hope it's in focus. I have a few hair strands in my face. I gotta get a headband. Someone refer me to a headband in the TikTok shop so I can give you commission. Something that'll be minimal. I don't want it to be seen that easily. I hear a plane over there in that direction, but I don't know where it's at. I hope the neighbors don't think that I'm trying to spy on them. Okay. Oh, okay, let me try to find a bird again. I was trying to find another plane, but I might wrap the video up there because, like I said, I am pretty stressed about the fact that I really actually cannot think of a way I'm going to pay my mortgage. I'm gonna have to, man, sorry, I guess I'll bleep that out. I'm already behind on payments for 2 of my credit cards, and now a third one actually from today. And what point is that? Man, I don't know. My girlfriend doesn't make enough, so, and I don't want her to have to pay bills, man. I've been the one paying them. Now, just, oh, plane though. At least we got a plane. This one's coming toward me. Yeah, changing the resistance definitely helped. Oh. Damn it, come on. I'm having a turn. Where is it? Oh, fucking lost it. No, I didn't lose it. It's right there. I mean, I lost it in the camera, but my gosh, it's hard to, what the heck? Damn it, I'm in a completely wrong spot. It was in that area right here, but I lost it. See, they're pretty frequent, and let's try to find this bird. Let me know in the comments if you guys see it and I missed it. I'm just gonna scan this. You guys might be able to see it easier because The sun, tiny bit of glare on the screen itself. And also my hair is in the way. Oh gosh. Wait, is that a plane I hear? Yep. There it is. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. So as it's flying closer to me, it's actually relative to my position. It's as though it's flying faster and faster. So it makes it increasingly hard. Oh, yeah, that's kind of tricky. It probably would be better if I zoomed out more, but okay, I think that concludes this video, guys. Thank you for here, let me give you something good to look at. My face isn't too great. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video here. That's pretty much it. You Shine Visuals. We are here to make you shine, based in Plant City, Florida. You can email me at youshinevisuals@gmail.com. My socials are all You Shine Visuals, and my number is 717-215-8045. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for some more interesting visuals, and might be a bit until I edit this into something that's kind of cool with some music in it. I don't know. I want to keep talking because I want to keep telling myself some hope of okay, moving on. Thank you.